need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it.
Hey y'all, what's going on? So I'm back again with another vacation fit. So I'm currently at the Eden Bay Resort, same location as Ocean Coral. If you don't know, that is in Trelawny. So I'm just on a mini vacation again, guys, and we'll be showing you guys all the fits that I'll be wearing. And you guys know already, I like to be simple and chic and all of that. Yeah, so this dress that I currently have, well, this is night one, by the way. We came here early and it's almost 9 o'clock. So the first dress that I have on is, this dress should look a bit familiar. In my last video when I was at Rio, this is exactly the same dress, however, just different color. The one that I wore at Rio is aqua blue, I think, and this is mostly pink. So it's the same company, SHEIN, that I got it from. I don't know, I liked it, so I bought two and they just fit perfect. Do my belly, but yeah, this dress is just giving. I like it, it's classy. It has the high, I think that's one of the reasons why I like it, because of the high split. It's just really cute. And you know, the cleavage as well, same dress. And the back, let me scoot back. Cute. And the high split. So yeah, I'm gonna go outside and show you guys this full look of the dress. I only just have on a cute little sandals, black sandals. That would be it. I'm probably gonna wear my black wristlet bag or a white shoulder bag. I'm not sure yet, but you guys will see how I look for the full fit when I go outside. So yeah, hope you guys like this night one fit. And I have on a little makeup. Yeah, just a little. My face is breaking out too. Let's have on a little makeup. So yeah, see you guys outside.
I'ma need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it.
Hey beautiful people, so it's day 2. Bam, and it's morning and I'm off to breakfast. So I have this cute little dress. This is from SHEIN. I don't know, it's just so simple and cute. As you can see, stripes, different colors. It's giving life. And I have my cute little glasses. You know, it's morning, so you definitely have to have on a sunglass. And I have this bag. This is my beach bag. I actually will be putting my laptop into this because I'm working again. So I'm always working when I'm on a mini vacation or when I'm on vacation. So this is my laptop bag that I'll be using. So yeah, so again, cute little dresses from SHEIN. I don't know, it's so cute. And I have on a black sandals. I will show you guys that. And my crazy hair again that I don't like. I think this is the style that I'll be using for the rest of my trip. So yeah, it's just simple and cute, just for a breakfast look. And this is from SHEIN, and I think this dress is in an extra small or small. I don't remember, but I'll definitely confirm that. And again, the link will be down below. So cute little outfit for day 2. I will see you guys probably in an hour or 2 when I'm in my swimwear.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Hey guys, so still on day 2 and I'm headed to the beach or the pool shortly. So this is just the fit for today. That's a regular bikini I have on. I didn't mismatch the bottom. It's from SHEIN. But I guess I'll just send the link for this cover that I currently have on. It is from SHEIN. So yeah, just a regular bikini. And the Coverup is really nice and stuff. I've had this for a while, but it's from SHEIN. I got it. So this is a look with just the cute glasses. And yeah, so that's it for the outfit for today. Until later, I have an event. It's a holiday weekend here in Jamaica, emancipation week. So tonight, actually, I have I Love Soca. It's in Ocheria, so that's the event that I'll be heading to. So I'll show you guys what I'll be wearing for that event. And yeah, I guess I'll probably show you guys a preview of the event, but not really that type of video. But yeah, so yeah, this is the fit, and I'll show you guys a full fit. This is really nice though, it fits really good.
Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11 and I ain't hearing nothing.
So we're still on day 2, and like I told you guys earlier, I'm heading to a Soca event in Ocheria. So this is the fit that I have on, a cute 2-piece tight set. By the way, this set is from my online store. I do have an online store on Instagram. I'll just put the name on the screen. So if you guys like this fit, you're in Jamaica, you guys can order it. Very cute. I have it in all sizes from small to large. The material is very cute, and this is the only color I have in this set. But yeah, it's giving life. As you guys can see, it's really cute. Look at the length of the tights. This set is giving very cute, and you can see the sleeve. It has a design right here, and this is how it looks. It's actually very cute, a very nice design. So yeah, so this is the fit for the night. I'm gonna head out now to the event on a white sneakers with it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is a brand new day with a brand new outfit. So yeah, see you guys.
Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I got.
Hey y'all, so we're on to day 3, and this is a cute fit I have on for today. Cute little one piece and a cover up. I'm not gonna lie, like the colors are hitting. This royal blue, the blue and the yellow is really giving me life. By the way guys, the event that I went to last night, I Love Soca, that was a pretty good event. I didn't think I videoed enough, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you guys anything, but just so you guys know, that party was lit. Like, the event was really good. So yeah, I had a fun. So yeah, heading out to the pool and grab some lunch. So see you guys later.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the 2-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily.
So this is the last night, and I'm dressed for dinner. All of this fit that I have on is from SHEIN. This is a very cute, you know, African style dress with a high split up to the hips. Very cute. And then the top is a silky top. Basically this top was in a V, but I used a pin to pin the end of it and wrap it under to give it a little vibe for this you know, skirt. So this is a fit, and the back is very open. So this is definitely giving a very cute fit. So yeah, so this is the last fit for tonight guys. I'm actually late for dinner, so I'm not gonna even you know, add any heels or whatever, but this would definitely, if you have on a heel, if I was putting on a heel, this would definitely give like a, you know, a shebang. But I'll be wearing flats, the flats that I have on, my Coach flats, yep. But yeah, this is it, the fit for tonight. My crazy hair. So this is where I'm ending what I wore on vacation for this video. I really hope you guys, you know, enjoyed all my fits. Of course, all of my fits are normally simple. Currently, I'm not wearing any makeup. I really don't have any time. Like, dinner ends, like the other restaurants, they end at 10 p.m. and it's literally 2 minutes to 10. So I'm just gonna rush out. But yeah, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. And yeah, just give it a thumbs up if you like this video. So yeah, and if you like any of my fits, just comment below which is your favorite fit. When it comes down to makeup, you know, I think my makeup takes like a lot of time, so I try to avoid wearing makeup on vacation, even though I need to take great pictures. But sometimes guys, I don't really wear makeup on vacation, as you have seen in the previous videos. But last night I did have on makeup, but tonight it's a no makeup night. because I'm running late and I just can't really bother. That is so bad. Like, okay, I don't wear makeup, but yeah, I don't know. And it's just me. Just shout out to all y'all people who really like put a lot of effort and stuff into putting on makeup and stuff to take pictures or whatever. That takes a lot of energy. Like when I have to be in the mood to really like give my all into putting on makeup and taking pictures. Like most of the times I really don't take a lot of pictures, and then you have to edit and all of that stuff. Guys, like if you know me personally, there's a lot of stuff like I just can't be bothered with. So hence why no makeup, just have on my lip gloss, and yeah, that is it. But I appreciate you guys again for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. So last outfit. Oh, yo, this is really giving. Appreciate you guys again. Peace. Bye.
But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad, oh can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you.